Where's the stage?
Let's convert a shoebox into a puppet theatre. The things that we need are a ruler, tape, fevicol, a punch, a calendar rod, some laces, two skewers, paper cutter, some pieces of cloth, needle and thread, some small piece of decorative paper, two A4 size paper or A4 size origami sheet, double-sided sticky tape, some decorative items, a scissor and a stapler. Of course, a pencil. So let's begin. The first thing that we have to do is pick up a scale and from the bottom of the box mark 1 inch from all four sides. So I mark 1 inch here, 1 inch here, next step, I take my paper cutter and cut on this line. And after cutting, it looks something like this. Now I want you to keep this piece safely. This is our theatre which is ready from the front. We are going to turn it behind now, and what we are going to do is we are going to fix this like this here. So it will give a little bit of a backdrop for our stage. Now how are we going to fix this? We need two skewer sticks here. Take the two sticks from the middle, equally break them into two parts. So we have 4 sticks with us, and these 4 sticks, attach them with the double-sided stick. It should look like this. Now I take this one of the sticks and I paste it right here. I take the other stick and paste it on the opposite side. Similarly, I take 2 more sticks which were there with me. One on this side, double-sided sticky tape, and one on the other side. Now I do this so that I can easily slide my backdrop here. Now when I turn the stage, it would be like this. Now here you can have your own drawing or you can stick something. Now I decided to stick a gift wrapping paper here. So I take my fevicol and stick it here. I could use 2 small pieces of glitter to make it look more attractive. So I just peel them and I stick them here. I could also add something else. Ready to, now my backdrop is kind of what I'm going to do is I'm going to just slide this like this. You can change the backdrop as per your need. Now time to decorate this part. Now before I start decorating this part, I need to put the curtain for my stage. So I have chosen a calendar rod, which is normally on top of every wall calendar. What I'm going to do with this is, I'm going to first make 2 holes out here. So with a paper cutter or with a compass, I make 1 hole here and I make another hole here. Then I take calendar rod and at the points I just bend them. Yes, it fits quite fine here. Now time to get our curtain stitched. For that you need 2 pieces of cloth. Now here I have used a cloth which is 6 inches wide and its length is around 10 inches. Now you can cut the cloth as per the length of your stage, because shoe boxes are different in sizes. So let the length be a little more than what you can see out here. Right? Now, what you do is, you fold it out here and stitch it from here to here. If children are working with this, you can even staple your curtain. So I'm going to staple one curtain and I'm going to stitch one curtain so that you can see both the things. And slide the curtain in. This one has been stitched. And the other one has been stapled. So you can see that they are ready, and we fix them back. Okay, now I'm going to turn this and show you what I'm doing from behind. You can see I'm going to bend this rod from inside like this, so that the curtain rod stays still like this. And I need to make 2 holes here to fix the curtain. You can even leave it or you can fix it. So I'm using a paper punch here and I'm punching out a hole here and here. Now I'm going to use an old lace that I have. I'm going for an A4 size paper, and what I'm doing is I'm folding it into half, and I will need 2 such A4 size papers of the same color. I go snip, snip, snip. Now I have 2 pieces from one paper and 1 piece from the other paper, and the other piece I have cut them into 4 strips. So they make 2 A4 size papers. So 1 A4 sheet and 2 A4 sheet. I need to first glue from the top. So after I'm done sticking this, I'm going to stick this side. Alright, now that our stage is covered, now we need to cover it from the sides. So as you can see, now I have covered this paper on all the three sides with the curtains and with the backdrop. Now the next what I need to do is just decorate my stage to make it look more beautiful. My basic stage is ready. Now all that is yet to be done is to get the inside painted. For this you can use any kind of color, maybe an acrylic color or a poster color, and get it painted. Or you can also stick paper inside. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have lots of fun.
Are we on stage? Are we on stage?